2. It's your good friend Will with PI Forever back at you with a short reaction video. This time it's going to be if Cardi B did sound effects for Star Wars, episode 2. I saw this on, I think, D. Chanel's channel. Y'all check her out. I saw this and I said, I got to see this. This has got to be funny. So let's check it out. It's fairly short, like 30 seconds, but you know, let's just see.
Scam! Help me! Help!
I love my sister, man. I love my sister, man. She should do that. Hey, stop this, y'all. All right, okay, I'm sorry, y'all. I had to, man. You with the lightsaber. Okay, hey, anyway. All right, y'all. I know that was short, but I just had to do it. Y'all let me know. Actually, y'all ain't gotta let me know, man. Y'all don't worry about it. How about this? Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share this wonderful, wonderful channel out to the world. If it's your first time, wait, I'm all messed up. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll be notified when new videos drop. Let's do a shout out.
I eat pears now and shit like that. Shout out to all the pears.
Shout out. This shout out comes from our Bruno interviews. Pastor Quinn reaction from Julie Martin. Julie says, big like. Thank you, Julie. And I'm going to like that comment. Thank you. Hey, and thank you guys for watching, man. Until next time. Deuces.